Hi everyone, my name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Scene. Today, we're taking you through one of the most timeless interior design styles, showcasing raw, honest materials. It looks unfinished yet cohesive. Rustic yet contemporary, rough yet cozy, we call this style the industrial design. An often asked question to interior designers is whether renovating your home in industrial design is more cost-efficient compared to the other styles. Well, stay tuned until the end of the episode to find out. Let us share with you our channel's top 6 best industrial design styles that could inspire you to design your own home. The Concrete House, designed by OTCQ Architects. Have you ever imagined a house being built within a house? The amazing structure features a window opening that sets apart from the architectural form. Natural light gently spreads out into the room. This gives me an impression of a larger home housing a smaller or more intimate home within it. This unique form is a glorious statement, be it from the exterior or looking outwards from the interior. This open amphitheater may seem like an empty and raw space at first, but in the design language, this is what makes the architecture so beautiful. Its identity changes at different times of the day when the natural lighting penetrates robustly into the interior, forming unique beams of shadows casting into the space. An open-to-sky courtyard allows for ample amount of fresh air and light to stream in. Both sides of the house feature a 1 meter gap that allows natural lighting to penetrate into the space. The entire house interior is curated blend of red bricks, white walls and black accents, creating a classically stylish look with warm tones. The key to creating an industrial style are the plants and trees in bright, open spaces that add bold green accents to the neutral colors. A steel staircase that is suspended from the second floor was designed to intentionally blend subtly within the red brick feature wall. The slim steel profiles of the staircase almost seems invisible against the strong charactered sharing brick wall. A steel balcony in black stands in contrast to the exterior, with steel bars beneath allowing for full transparency of the growing planter box below. Let me present to you the NJ House. Designed by Carey, founder of NOT Architecture. The exterior architecture features a gable-shaped outline with an intricate red brick stacking design, allowing natural ventilation and pixelated lighting to stream into the property. From both the exterior and the interior, the red brick facade is visually pleasing. At night when lit from indoors, the remarkable architecture parades another unique identity. To maximize natural lighting and ventilation, 2 courtyards were introduced. A big hole was punched in the first floor slab to create a spacious double-volume living hall fronting the courtyard. All the windows for the spaces and rooms are orientated towards the internal courtyard. One of my favorite spots in this property is this alfresco kitchen. You would never have guessed the second courtyard would be designed like this. One courtyard for the double-volume living and the second courtyard designed with a very pleasant space created for a dining alfresco served directly from the kitchen stove. This space feels like a hidden alley catered for a private dining experience. The materials for the home were selected to suit the industrial style. The kitchen tiles imbue the rustic feel of the kitchen with a Moroccan vibe. The selection furniture is curated mix of wood and steel, bringing the contrast of warm to industrial. For the staircase, a slate opening at the end of the wall brings light into the space. The The new staircase to the second floor extension is constructed using folded perforated steel, which assists with ventilation through the stack effect, allowing natural air circulation to swiftly disperse upwards. This clever staircase design also reduces the weight load of the existing structure and at the same time allows unique shadows to flood the interior walls, which is created by the sunlight from above. Behold the Desa Lightwell house, designed by Farah Azizan from Studio Beacon. Where most terrace houses have their car park within the property, the designer here decided to sacrifice the front porch and a large landscape was created, shading the afternoon sun, providing privacy and a beautiful view. Did you know planting a tree at the right spot could make a huge impact? If I tell you planting a tree right here could increase the value of a property, would you believe me? Let's say you have a large window looking out to your neighbor's backyard. Instead of covering it with curtains, here's what you should do. Create your own landscape. Imagine crafting your own view. It not only shields your privacy but also protects you from the sun glare. The added landscape improves the noise reduction and becomes a natural air purifier, creating natural beautiful shadows and lastly, making your house look stunning. This coming HomeDec, we proudly bring to you the concept of the borrowed landscape. The design concept revolves around the integration of nature and architecture, focusing on the borrowed landscape to create a harmonious living environment. The goal is to merge the indoor and outdoor spaces seamlessly, encouraging homeowners to embrace and appreciate the natural surroundings as part of their daily living experience. So much to learn, so much to ask from industry experts. So, visit us at HomeDec, Malaysia's one-stop home design and interior exhibition at Kuala Lumpur Convention Centre this coming 31st October to 3rd of November 2024 from 10 AM to 8 PM. As I was saying about the Desa Lightwell, passing through the private botanic garden, a large 6-meter tall one-piece steel door invites you in. Framing this grand steel door are 4 red brick fins acting as a partial sun shading tool. The designer envisioned a whole new perspective to the layout. She decided to flip the layout, placing 3 bedrooms and a pantry on the ground floor. Due to the existing pitch of the roof, the living room was transformed into a loft space with a glorious double volume height. The red brick statement is not only paraded over the exterior, but the beauty of it extends its character into the bedroom and an industrial touch to the pantry black splash and flooring alternative too. Birthed from a collaborative idea between the owners and designer, a suspended concrete staircase is a surprising design element, creating lines parallel to the existing roof truss. Stepping onto the first floor, there is a dialogue between the vertical and the horizontal elements across the lofty design open floor plan that is well balanced and flawless. The organic textures of concrete, steel and brick visually complement the home's interior neutral white and grey and bricks. A dining area sits between the 2 airwells on both sides, making it seem like an island floating among the mature growing trees. The owners carry the finest taste in which keeps the entire property in perfect consonance. From the choices of furniture kept control among the solid teak wood and mild steel chairs, these small details clearly affect the overall picture of the project outcome. Let us present to you the brick house. If you're looking for a property that is not too industrial or have a balance between modern industrial and a modern home, this is an example for you. Designed by New Infinity, this is a double-story corner terrace house that has been transformed into a unique, spacious home catering to a young family's daily lifestyle. We took advantage of the corner unit land size to extend the property to cater for our client's brief. However, we wanted to create a statement, something that not only functions as an extra space, but would entirely boost their daily lifestyle. The rear visual of the back lane to the property was rather unsightly. We decided not to have any windows facing the rear, but created a skylight above to allow natural lighting and at the same time give the narrow wet kitchen a more spacious approach. A dividing glass door seals the wet kitchen from the rest of the interior, keeping the oil and smell away but still allowing natural lighting from the skylight to penetrate into the space. This 1.5-story tree showers astonishing shadows into the space, complementing the extension of the dry kitchen area. The brick wall extension design wasn't just for aesthetic reasons. The architecture approach was to block out the afternoon sun that blazes into the interior of the property. Windows on both sides of the extension allows fluent cross ventilation. The living and dining area has a comfortable spatial quality and the kitchen extended to the back. The existing floor tiles were demolished and replaced with timber boards to give the home a cozier touch. Due to the lifestyle of the owners, the entrance foyer was segmented in a different floor finish. This approach was to give the entrance foyer and staircase brick wall a matching primitive character that complements the dry kitchen extension. A final touch to the design was to place the owner's personal character alongside the feature brick wall at the staircase. The Urban Garden House, designed by Oscar Tan of OTCQ Architect. Oscar Tan's iconic design elements pepper across the interior and exterior of the house, aptly named Awan Kuning. Behind its unique exterior of an intriguing green facade is an interior with few windows. Yet, it feels light and airy. The openings in the roof let light in, while the fans bring fresh airflow indoors. A ceiling with exposed steel structure and visible roof tiles add an industrial vibe to the entire home. The uniqueness of the industrial style is exposing what others conceal, celebrating the bare bones aesthetic. Covered with greens, the balcony is not only a sunshield, but is also permeable to create openings for air to flow through the building. This filters the harsh sunlight, creating a bright internal environment without the heat. The red brick flooring continues seamlessly from outdoors to indoors, opening up the entire space to nature. The rustic texture of the red bricks is crucial in imbuing warmth. A ramped earth design for the island with a durable concrete top adds an industrial vibe to the kitchen. Industrial design usually includes ample natural light from large windows. To elevate the natural feel, an outdoor tree stands as a stunning focal point. Pairing the rough textures of bricks with the soft organic textures of greenery creates a visually appealing and tactile aesthetic. An amazingly crafted design that integrates the surrounding tropical landscape with every detail of the house interior. The final one is the House of Carey, designed by Chong Wei Lee of Future Ground Design. Wei Lee transformed this old 3,000 square feet single-story semi-detached house with a broken roof and 3 bedrooms into a rustic, warm haven for 2 sisters. With no single supporting column, the old house was built by load-bearing brick walls. Additional reinforced concrete columns were added and the house was topped with a metal deck roofing. The ceiling paired with high openings created a sense of openness and airiness, as well as better circulation for natural light and ventilation. Using clay bricks for all the exterior walls and plywood for the interior creates a warm rustic feel inside out. The clay bricks provide practical thermal properties and timeless appeal, as well as stability and insulation for the tropical climate. The design embraces earthy materials while minimizing maintenance and ensuring durability that stands the tests of time. Each room has its own private garden space, creating individual villas that blend indoor and outdoor living. Another unique feature in the striking white entrance is the sharp contrast to the brick and wood design combination. With motion sensors that light up when someone approaches, it acts as a light box for security purpose. When we talk about a specific interior design style, we're not just discussing design elements, but also the lifestyle that comes with it. If you are drawn to a lifestyle that celebrates authenticity and functionality, then industrial style might be right for you. Now, for the answer to the question everyone's been waiting for, is the industrial style design more cost efficient? In terms of materials, the total cost is less, as we do away with layers of painting and cement. However, the labor cost is higher at layering of the bricks to specify dimensions require higher levels of skill and craftsmanship. So despite the higher labor costs, industrial style is overall more cost effective than the other styles of interior design. If you want to watch any of the top 6 episodes that we just featured above, look at our description below for all the links that's required. Leave us a comment on the comment column below to let us know which out of the top 6 is your favorite. We hope this compilation video serves as a useful introduction to the industrial design style and inspire you in your journey to building your ideal dream home. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to us and help us grow our channel. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seed. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next week.